Welcome, dear viewers, to our special exploration of Eid al-Adha, one of the most significant and joyous celebrations in the Islamic calendar. Today, we embark on a journey to understand the profound meaning behind this sacred occasion and discover the traditions that bring us together worldwide. As the blessed month of Dhul Hijjah approaches, anticipation fills the air. Muslims around the globe eagerly prepare for Eid al-Adha, also known as the Festival of Sacrifice. It commemorates the story of Prophet Ibrahim's unwavering faith and willingness to sacrifice his beloved son Ismail as an act of obedience to Allah. Eid al-Adha serves as a profound reminder of Prophet Ibrahim's ultimate submission to Allah's command. It highlights the importance of sacrifice, not only in terms of material possessions, but also in surrendering our egos, desires, and attachments for the sake of Allah. Eid al-Adha coincides with the culmination of the annual Hajj pilgrimage, during which millions of Muslims embark on a sacred journey to the holy city of Mecca. This celebration marks the conclusion of the Hajj, symbolizing unity, humility, and the equality of all believers. Eid al-Adha invites Muslims to engage in deep introspection, to reflect on their own willingness to sacrifice and submit to Allah's will. It encourages believers to examine their intentions and renew their commitment to live a life of righteousness, compassion, and selflessness. On the morning of Eid al-Adha, Muslims gather in mosques or open prayer grounds to perform the special congregational prayer. This communal act of worship fosters a sense of togetherness, reinforcing the bonds of brotherhood and sisterhood that unite the Ummah. This week, together with our fellow Muslims, we commemorate the sacred occasion of Eid al-Adha. This celebration holds profound significance in the Abrahamic traditions of Judaism, Christianity, and Islam, symbolizing a test of faith and devotion. The Quran repeatedly reminds us to place our complete trust in Allah. In Surah Al-Ma'idah, Allah urges believers to have unwavering trust, stating, "And put your complete trust in Allah, if you are indeed believers." However, relying on Allah does not absolve us from using our intellect and making efforts to overcome challenges. We must strive our best while trusting that the outcome is in accordance with Allah's divine plan. Our trust in Allah is reciprocated, as stated in a Hadith al-Qudsi narrated by Prophet Muhammad. Allah promises that those who draw near to Him will find Him drawing even closer, showering His blessings and mercy upon them. This reciprocal relationship of trust and closeness reinforces our faith and strengthens our connection with Allah. In Muslim belief, Prophet Muhammad was the last messenger of Allah, and according to Shia belief, the authority for guidance continued through his cousin and son-in-law, Hazrat Ali, and the Imams from the progeny of Prophet Muhammad and Hazrat Bibi Fatima, the Prophet's daughter. Peace be upon them and their family. Eid al-Adha also emphasizes the common humanity and ethical heritage shared among the people of the book. It reminds us of our duty to care for and nurture every life, in accordance with our Abrahamic ethos. As we greet one another with Eid Mubarak, let us remember the profound message of trust in Allah. May we continue to strengthen this bond through our devotion to the Imam of the time, as we seek guidance and inspiration in our spiritual journey. We extend warm wishes for a joyous and heartfelt Eid Mubarak to all.